Hello guys, let's make Afang soup. So I'm using some beef and some cow tail for this particular recipe. Afang soup is a soup that is common amongst the Efik people, Calabar, but right now everyone eats Afang soup, including me. So let me show you how I make mine. So now I've added onion, salt, and some seasoning cube to my meat for it to boil. So first I'll steam it before adding some water for it to cook properly. Now I've added water and I'll just leave it to cook thoroughly. So the next thing I'll be doing is prepping my vegetables. So here I'm using water leaf. So the most things that people find tedious about making afang soup is just the prepping of the vegetables. You have to properly prep your vegetables. So, and the major vegetables you use for this is the water leaf and the Okazi leaf, which I'll be showing you shortly. So yeah, I'm just prepping my water leaves, not making so much. It will be a lot of work if you are making a whole lot of afang soup. So yeah, I've prepped the water leaves and I'm going on to my Okazi leaf, also known as the afang leaf. So this is the one I just got from the store, is Heist. So you can do this in two ways. You can either pound it in a small mortar and pestle, pound it so that it can get soft and edible to eat, or you can actually blend it to make it softer, because it is a very hard kind of vegetable. Like, it is strong. If you add it into your soup this way, you might not be able to eat it. So for me, I'll be blending it a little. So now it's blended and it looks better. I'll set it aside for later use. Okay, now I'm prepping my fish. Originally I should use stockfish for this ingredient. Also, I'll put the list of ingredients in the description box so that you can see all the ingredients that I use. I'll also put it in the comment section so you can check it out. Okay, at this point my meat is almost done. So it's soft 90%. Yeah, I'm just checking up on it. I'm adding the fish. This particular fish is called lizard fish because the scales on it looks like that of lizard, but I assure you it is really nice. I couldn't get stockfish, so I decided to use this fish, and it's really nice. So now I just added it to the meat to make it soft. Also, it doesn't really require much cooking like the stock fish. Okay, so now I've added my pepper, scotch bonnet pepper. I added the yellow and the red one, which is a really hot one, pepper to eat. And also I'm adding a bit of red brown pepper, just a little bit of it. Also I'm adding some crayfish, and I'll stir it together. So one thing about afang soup is that it do not require so much liquid in it. So now it might be looking dry. As soon as I add the water leaf and the palm oil, I'm good. So it's not actually dry, but you don't need a lot of water for afang soup. I'm adding in my palm oil at this point. So the palm oil we had liquid, and also the water leaves. Just come along with me. You see what I'm talking about. So that will serve as liquid for your soup. At this point, everywhere smells so good. You know, the crayfish. And for this soup, you don't need so much seasoning. You are good with just your seasoning cube, which is not a lot, and a bit of salt. The crayfish, the meat stock, and everything. Mind you, the meat stock, I didn't pour it out. It's right here in this soup, so you don't need a lot of flavors for this soup. It will really bring out its own flavor in due time. So just hold on. At this point, I want to taste, and it tastes nice. It tastes nice. I don't need to add more salt or anything. It's just perfect. So I'll leave it at that. Now I'm introducing my water leaf. I'm introducing my water leaf into it. You're almost done with your soup. So like I said earlier, the process that takes time is just the prepping of the vegetables, prepping of the ingredients. The making of the soup itself is a very fast, seamless process. Now for this soup, I know I should have added periwinkle, but I couldn't get periwinkle here, so I'll just skip that part. Periwinkle add a whole lot of taste to this soup, but I'll just leave it out. So if you have periwinkles, if you can get periwinkles, just add that to it. Either the one with shell or the one without shell. It is all good. So that's the only ingredient I can see that is missing from this recipe. But apart from that, you're all good, okay? I'll just cover it for some minutes to steam. So at this point, the juice from the water leaf is out. So like I said, you don't need to add water to it. So it has really brought out its own juice. Your afang soup is almost ready. Now I'm introducing my Okazi leaves into the afang soup. So this is what makes it complete afang soup. So if you want to know the quantity of afang leaf that you should use, because if you notice I didn't use all of the afang leaf, if not my soup will be really black. So 1/3 of your water leaf is what you get for your afang leaf. The 1/3 of the quantity of water leaf is what you use for your afang leaf. So you don't put the exact proportion of afang for your water leaf. If not, your soup will not come out well. I actually got this trick from my neighbor. So she was the one that explained to me that the reason why most afang leaf turn out really black is if you use too much of the afang leaf, or you make it directly proportional to the water leaf, then you would have a very black soup. And since I learned that, I decided, okay, this is what works for this soup. Hey, at this point, guys, I cannot explain what I'm feeling. I feel so good making this soup because it is one in town. It is really, really nice. This is me just tasting it. It is really, really nice. Imagine taking this with pounded yam, or with fufu, or with one nice one nice meal. You won't regret it, I can assure you. So now I'm done. This afang soup has so many obstacles in it. When I say obstacles, I mean all the proteins. Just look at it. Is it not giving? It's giving all that it's supposed to give. So it's so nice. It's really, really nice. You should try this out. If you've been really scared of making afang leaf, you think you can only get it at a restaurant. Also, this is your chance to make yours today. I really enjoyed making this. So let me know in the comment section, what would you be trying your afang soup with? The one you made, and what would you be trying with it? Pounded yam, fufu, eba, anything. Just let me know in the comment section. And do you make your afang soup at home, or you prefer to buy out? Let me know, to eat it out. Let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much, guys, for always supporting me. If you haven't liked this content, please like, subscribe to this channel, and share with your loved ones, with your family and friends. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Till I come your way next time in my next video, take care of yourself. Bye bye.